Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will discuss the information available on the WinSentry Performance Analysis dashboard. Our WinSentry solution is used to monitor any Windows machines or Hyper-V hosts and guests that are running in your environment. When monitoring Windows machines, you will only be able to see the system-level metrics on the dashboard. The system-level metrics will be discussed throughout the rest of this video. When monitoring a Hyper-V host, you will see two sections on the Performance Analysis dashboard. The left side of the dashboard displays the metrics related to the monitored host. The right side of the dashboard displays the metrics related to the guests that are running on this host. Each of the guests are represented by a different color on the graphs. Please note that when you hover over these colors, you will be able to see which guest a color represents in the tooltip. Prior to outlining the metrics on the dashboard, it is important to note the two modes that the dashboard can use to display data. These modes are the sample mode and history mode. The sample mode uses bar charts and gauges to show activity for a specific time. The history mode uses line and stacked area charts to display how the host and guests have been performing over a selected time range. Let's now briefly cover the categories of metrics that are displayed on the dashboard. The network section displays the total network traffic used by each of the guests on the host. In sample mode, you will be able to see the network utilization of each of the adapters present on the monitored host as well. The CPU usage section displays the total CPU usage for the host and guests, as well as the vCPU wait time. Please note the vCPU wait time, available when monitoring Hyper-V hosts, will let you know how long a guest has been waiting for a host kernel resource. The system memory section displays information about the amount of memory being used by the host and guests. The disk I/O section displays the read and write latency for each of the physical disks on the host and guests, as well as the read and write throughput. The charts on the right side of the dashboard are a great place to see if a noisy neighbor situation is taking place. If you are monitoring a guest with SentryOne, you will be able to right-click on a guest and jump to the dashboard for it. Please note that it is here that you can see the performance metrics for each of the Windows VM guests. For many guests, you can jump back to the host if it is monitored by SentryOne by clicking on the hyperlink in the top left of the Performance Analysis dashboard. If you have any questions about this information or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryone.com. Thanks for watching.